Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can split screen in Opera browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, head over to Opera browser, select the first of two tabs. You will need to use at least two tabs for that, obviously. Left click into it, hold your left mouse and move the tab to the website that is open in the other tab. And release your left mouse with the selected tab on or over one of these four options, depending on your preferred screen splitting, be it vertically or horizontally. So if you do it, if you split the screen horizontally, release your left mouse and the given tab here, and that is going to split the screen into these two halves. So if you'd like to exit the split screen, right click into the combined tab at the top, select exit split screen, and that's it. So guys, what if you don't see that option with these four buttons here, for instance? Well, it may be because you're, I opened Opera in a separate browser. Let me just remove it. It may be due to disabled split screen feature. If you haven't activated it yet, you may do that through your browser settings, top left, by clicking to settings here. And in your browser settings, navigate to appearance, scroll a little bit down to appearance here, and make sure that enable split screen is turned on here to the right. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.